This is going to be a video tutorial on how to rotate an image on Facebook using a PC. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Facebook. To rotate an image while posting it on Facebook, first thing I'm going to do is find my image. I'm going to go to the What's on My Mind area and I'm going to click on Photo Video. Then I'm going to click on Add Photos Videos. I'm going to locate the picture that I want to post on my device here. I'm going to select this one here. I'm going to go down and click on Open. Now as you can see, my picture here is sideways. I want to turn that picture. The way to do that, I'm going to go up to Edit and click on Edit. Then in the pane off to the left hand side here, I want to click on Rotate. And each time you click on Rotate, it will rotate your picture. Then all you have to do is go down and click on Save. And then I will go down and I will click on Post. And there's my image right there. That is how you rotate an image while posting it on Facebook. Thanks for watching.